Let's divide 264 by 2 together. Hey super math stars, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We'll bring down the first digit, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, write that down. Now let's subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0, easy peasy. You're doing fantastic. Give yourselves a pat on the back. We've got the first part of our answer. Let's move on to the next digit. Ready for the next step? Let's keep going. We bring down the next digit 6, next to our remainder 0. How many times does 2 go into 6? It's 3 times. 3 times 2 equals 6, perfect. Subtract 6 from 6, what do you get? 0. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. We're on a roll, 1 more digit to go. Last step, here we come, you've got this. Bring down the final digit 4, we now have 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It's 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4, exactly right. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0. We're all done. Amazing work, everyone, you solved it. We've reached the end of our division. Look at your awesome answer. We found that 264 divided by 2 is 132. Great job, everyone. We just tackled 264 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like solving a puzzle, and you're all amazing puzzle solvers. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.